Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, my friend. I hope you guys okay and you're staying inside home because of current situation. So, and for today, first of all, I'm gonna thanks for all my subscribers because today we have got more than 1,000 subscribers. So thanks for everyone, and and we want people to watch our video more and more, and I will try my best to bring you good recipes. Well, I'm gonna make a paper steak today. It will be simple recipe, very nice and delicious. It will be different recipes. So, and before I start, I will tell you our ingredients, what's gonna be in there. So in my ingredients, it's I'm using lamb leg. Is a bit frozen because when you take strips from leg from meat, and we get very nice thin slices from there. So I'm gonna take thin slices from here. We got ginger, garlic, we got mixed herb and corn flour, the salt, the black pepper, the paprika sauce is just for giving nice color, cumin seed powder, soya sauce, is a lemon juice, and I'm gonna use a little bit for tomato paste. You got onion, pepper. I got some green chili, big one, and green onion and coriander. And I'm gonna use some oil in there. So shall we start? Okay, friend. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take a thin slices from there. Yeah. It's when it's lightly frozen, you can take in nice thin slices. Okay, see friend, this make it nice and easy, thin slices. Yeah. If you can get from your butchers thin slices, that's fine. Otherwise, you can do as well. Okay, friend, this is our steak is ready. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some about 1.5 spoon ginger, half a spoon I'm gonna put garlic, just a little bit, nearly half spoon I'm gonna put mixed spices. Is a mixer, sorry. 1 spoon, one little more, a spoon of black pepper. 1 spoon is salt. I'm using a small spoon. Half a spoon paprika powder. Cumin seed, 1.5 spoon, and it's about 2 spoon. I'm taking this soya sauce, and this lemon juice, 1 spoon, and I'm using 1 spoon tomato. Using 1 spoon tomato paste. Now I'm gonna mix this all. I'm gonna use a little bit oil in there. Not too much yet, just a little bit. So okay, this I leave it for a few minutes on side, and then I'm gonna cut my vegetables. Okay friend, I'm gonna cut some onions. You need a big pieces onion, yeah, and I'm gonna open like this. Okay, I'm gonna do same way, chunky pieces, paper as well, yeah. You take this seed and all this out from there. Yeah, you need like chunky pieces like this, yeah. Okay, you take is the same way is green pepper, red pepper cutting. Yeah, so take all inside this. Take all seeds. Okay, onion, green onion. I'm going to take and cut the end pieces. Take this end out. So I'm going to chop this nice and small pieces. The green onions ready. I'll put this green onion one side. And I'm going to use some green chili. And this chili is not very hot, yeah. So I'm gonna use just 2 of chili to give you just nice flavor, and little thin pieces. Then it's very thin pieces, yeah. You can see this thin pieces. So it's not spicy, hot as well. So you can use this a couple of chili. Okay, all this ready. So now I'm gonna it's coriander, but some coriander I'm gonna use this in end. I'm using this non-stick pan. Use just a little bit olive oil. It's not much here. Okay, our pan is ready. So it won't take long time. This is I put all my meat in there. See, it's nice, beautiful pieces. I'm gonna put the lids here, and time by time I'm gonna flip all meat so they cook all same time. Okay, friend. So I'm gonna just flip my meat. So we need to cook. Okay, friend. Let's see. Okay. On this stage, yeah, this stage. Nice. So I'm gonna put little bit of spices in there. Put a little bit black pepper on there. Just a little bit, slightly of paprika, and just cumin seed on top. Cumin seed powder. Some oil on there. Mix it now. Now I'm gonna just mix. Okay, when this ready, right? So I'm gonna take about 15 minutes, and I'm gonna put this on one side, and then I'll make my vegetable. I'll put this on there. Okay, now I'm gonna make my vegetables. So I'll put some oil in there.
Okay.
I'll let this get ready. Okay, friend, I'm gonna put some. I'm gonna make a sauce for this. I'm gonna put some corn flour on. So it will be nice and juicy. Okay. And I'm gonna put some black pepper in there. Put mixed herb. Some salt, some cumin seed, about 1 spoon lemon juice, and soya sauce, 1 spoon. I'm gonna mix this all together. Yeah, and I'm gonna leave it on one side. Okay, friend. It's got a little bit oil in there. Or just put some all my onion. And I'm cooking it high heat. Yeah. Put this all my vegetables in there. It's all in. I'm gonna fry this all, and make sure you don't fry all. It's we need it crispy. Yeah. I'm gonna put some more oil in there. It's a garlic oil. It's nice color. You can see my veg. So now I'm gonna put some that liquid in there. So I will give you a thick sauce. Yeah, I'm gonna put a bit more in there. This vegetables ready. We can see the sauce in there, and it will be now. I'm gonna mix my meat in there. So I probably need a big karahi, wok, and we'll see if we can put in there. Now I'm gonna put a lamb in there, meat. Yeah. And now I'm gonna mix all this together. can see a color. Just look beautiful. I wish you here to check my flavor. It's ready, and I'm gonna just leave it another 5 minutes to cook this all together, mix with it. Okay, friend, I'm gonna put some coriander in there just for garnishing. All right. Our dish is ready. So okay, you can see now. This is our garnishing. Okay, friend, this our dish is ready, and you can see it's looking beautiful. Now we're gonna dish out this, and we're gonna serve with Caribbean rice. Okay, friend, this is my dish ready. It's called pepper steak with also with Caribbean rice. And what do you think about it? Let me try, check it, see what taste is it. So beautiful, you know, very nice, very rich flavor. You should try this at home, and let me know in comment section what you think about it, and subscribe to my channel please, and share with your friend. Thank you. So friend, I hope you like this recipe, and you will get this different recipe every week. And if you like it, please subscribe my channel, and please press the bell button. And if you got any questions, please ask me any questions, so I will be happy to answer you. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe. And if you have any question, just type the question in the comment, so I will be happy to give you an answer. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Here is this ingredient for this recipe. Thank you.